2026 and Acting Internal Vice President of DWCSJ this 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Emilio S. Gonzalez Jr., alumni, entrepreneur, and civic leader. The school president of Colegio de San Sebastian in Sablayan, of St. Michael Parish in Calintaan. As rector and parish priest, please welcome Reverend Father Arnel T. Bilamide. He was ordained priest in December 12, 1992. His first assignment was parochial vicar in Calintaan. From 1993 to 1994, he was at Santa Cruz also as parochial vicar. Parish as parochial vicar. Let's clap our hands for Father Silvino G. Enriquez. 98 at Divine Word College of San Jose. Also grade school batch 1980 and high school batch 1984. Finished theology in 1990 and philosophy in 1995. He is the parish priest in Nuestra Señora del Pilar Parish and concurrently the principal and director of West Mindoro Academy. Since 2019 up to present, he is also the Vicar General of the Apostolic Vicariate of San Jose. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap our hands to Monsignor Carlito M. Dimaano. At the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and another 30 units in MA in School Administration at the De La Salle University. From 2002 to 2003, he was Assistant Parish Priest at the St. Joseph Cathedral and Assistant Parish Priest in Nuestra Señora del Pilar Parish in Mamburao in 2003 to 2005. School and Stella Maris School in Lubang, and at the same time as chaplain in San Isidro, Labrador, Bubog, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. A round of applause for Father Mauro A. Arevalo II. Our last awardee finished AB English at the Divine Word College of San Jose in 1986 and took philosophy and theology in 1987 and 1993, respectively, both in Divine Word Seminary, Tagaytay City. He became Assistant Parish Priest in 1993 to 1994 at St. Joseph Parish Cathedral.
It is a pleasure to introduce the esteemed individual who will have the honor to presenting our special guest, academic assistant.
Fortunate, she has really found a way to be with us despite the distance and her busy schedule like the other awardees. She is an alumna embodying the core values of Divine Word College of San Jose: competence, integrity, and service. Competence. Master of Laws from San Beda College. She served in Metro and Municipal Trial Court in Antique, Mandaluyong, Antipolo, and Quezon City, Occidental, Mindoro. Recognition from the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group highlights her significant impact in sustaining a strong partnership against cybercrime. Special recognition for community involvement by Santa Isabel College of San Jose, Grade School Batch 1982, High School Batch 1986 shines brightly. Let us extend a warm welcome to my classmate, my seatmate, who embodies virtue and simplicity. Let us welcome Justice Ana Marie T. Mas.
Medyo gabi na. So, to our school president, Reverend Father Habines, 80 remarkable years of excellence, growth, and enduring legacy of our beloved Divine Word College of San Jose, an institution that has profoundly shaped who I am today. 8 years ago, our founders and missionaries envisioned a place where young minds can be nurtured, values instilled, and features dedicated to providing Christian quality education that foster cultural sensitivity and global competence. This institution has been a sanctuary of learning, a forge of character, and a home to countless dreams that has taken flight over the decades, has transformed thousands of lives. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also inspired generations to strive for greater heights. You are the partners in cultivating leaders who will shape the future of our beloved province and our nation. To our esteemed alumni, your achievements are the true testament to the strength of our school. You have carried the values of Divine Word College of San Jose into the world that has made a difference. Your continued commitment to this institution reminds us that though we may leave the walls of our alma mater, we never truly live its embrace. I myself, I am a testament to this truth. As the lesson and values instilled in me here have shaped my journey and led me to the honor of serving as an Associate Justice of the Court of Appeals. And I never imagined that I would one day hold the title of Justice of the Court of Appeals. Back then, I was just an ordinary student with a grades ranging from 80 to 85 and never an honor student. Yet today, I stand before you addressed as Honorable Associate Justice. Moments that helped me discover who I truly wanted to be. As we commemorate the 80th founding anniversary of our beloved alma mater, 8 decades of bearing witness to the Word, we reflect on our journey of celebrating, innovating, and trailblazing. This legacy has been built by a generation of educators, students, and alumni to be trailblazers in our own right. More than a privilege, it is a responsibility we must all carry to break barriers, challenge injustice, and pave the way for future generations to have a greater opportunity and better lives. My wish for everyone here is that you be inspired to live a life that betters not only yourselves, but also those around you, including those on the margins of society, what we call nasalaylayan ng ating lipunan. Of course, becoming trailblazers and innovators is never easy. Nothing truly worthwhile is ever. To the student, know that you will face challenges, setbacks, moments of doubts. In these moments, I hope you respond with determination, curiosity, and most importantly, kindness. No matter where life takes us, or takes you, rather, know that your voice always matters, because you matter. Sons and daughters of the divine world, rise high your voices, noble and free. Especially to my batchmate from elementary 1982 and high school 1985. Also to my sister batchmate high school 1985 and my brother's batchmate 1980. I am proud to see what you have become. May we continue to strengthen our bonds through this institution so that we can support the next generation of innovators and trailblazers. To the Divine Word College of San Jose, its faculty and staff, thank you for being part of our journey. You may continue to flourish as the premier institution of learning, innovation, trailblazing for decades to come. Thank you very much.